Okay, so now we're going to go into status updates. So status updates are really critical from my perspective as an overall program leader. I want to see the progression of the status. And so oftentimes in some programs, what a program leader gets is they get a brand new PowerPoint update that is very detailed. It shows the status, and quite frankly, when I look at those, the first thing I end up having to do is to go back and check to see, okay, what has changed between last week and this week, or last period and this period. The beauty here is it allows you to go in and search by work group, and you can see how an individual work group itself has progressed its status through the team. So if I were to go in and I'm going to add in some of these, I can see all of my statuses. But if I want to get rid of all of these and just say, you know what, how is Treasury managing their program? So I'm going to get rid of wholesale, I'm going to get rid of technology, risk, and retail. And so here I see Treasury, and it's kind of confusing here because right off the bat, I've got two status updates on the same day. That's a problem. One was green and one was red. So I can really quickly identify any sort of internal problems with them. Then on the 12th, I get another status update back to green. And then here on the 5th, I've got my most update, and I've got a real detailed one. So little concerning. I can quickly identify that there's something going on here. When the person goes in, they would have filled in this form. It's a fairly detailed form, and it allows you to go in and do your standard stuff, accomplishments, the key risks, issues, decisions, any blockers, plans for next period. And these three are really important because if I put anything in these, it's going to immediately pop up on the overall dashboard saying, this group has an item that is being escalated, and when you're doing your overall governing body reporting, it will pop up very clearly, very cleanly. So that's very important from a status reporting perspective. I get to see the progression of these all the way through their weekly reporting, quickly identify any gaps. And I'm good to go. So that's good for status reporting, and we'll speak to you later.